behind. Found salvation in the rhythm of a line. No emails or meetings, just the river's sway. Gone fishing, and I'm here to stay.
Alright guys, what a great morning it is this morning. Check that out. Alright, we're down at Apple Tree Bay. We're just in my dad's dinghy. Let's see what we can do. But I can't get over how nice this is. Alright guys, we just parked the dinghy just up on the beach here. We're going to try our luck down in this pond here, see if there's any mullet in there. So we'll see how we go. It's got like a mullet trap, just bought that off Facebook, pretty sure. So you got a flowing river, obviously it flows. So now last time I did come down here, there was some, but I haven't been down here for a while. But this was a lot more open than it was. But we'll see if there's any. Quick look. Alright, no luck with the mullet. We walked through, couldn't find any. But check this guy out. He's just burying himself in the sand. Let's see if we can get a closer view. Look how big that boy is. Look at that. I think this is a floodie. Yeah, boy. Oh. Copy on a floodie. What's it gotta be? I can't remember. Beautiful. Ah, you bitch. Not a flatty. I'll just bring it in. You! Go. Bit of weight to it. Flounder. There you go. It's a nice size flounder too. Big old boy. That's a good 30. Fat boy. We'll do one more. And then we've got to start heading back a fair way from the boat ramp. Alright guys, we're going to have to start heading back. Got a decent drive. We'll get a bit closer and see if we maybe do a bit of fishing down there. is just heading back now. Now we're a fair way out of Apple Tree Bay. And I didn't, to be honest, realise how much fuel we actually went through. Now I was wide open for a fair bit. But we went through nearly half of that, or if not a little bit more than half. So I'm going to be a bit more conservative on the way back. I don't want to run out here. So if you can see, we've found a small island out there. And you got Bowenjoo Lighthouse up there. So we're just going to cruise it back in. Wasn't a bad day. I tried to get as much footage as I can. I did have a couple of good hookups there, but I ended up losing a couple. I lost a hook. I think that would have been like a tailor. It was all chewed up. I did see it. I thought my bait come off, so I was winding it up, and I noticed there was a flathead chasing it. But all in all, it was a good day. A bit choppy now. Not as bad, but a little bit. But what a mad day. If I had more fuel, I would have stayed out here a bit longer. But once that sun hits that mountain, it's going to get pretty cold, so start heading back. But not a bad day out.